The F-22 Raptor was officially introduced into service with the United States Air Force in 2005. The development of the F-22 began much earlier, with the first flight of the prototype taking place on September 7, 1997. The production and testing phase spanned several years before it was deemed ready for operational use. The production of the F-22 Raptor was limited, and a total of 195 F-22 were built. However, in 2009, the production was terminated due to cost concerns, and the F-22 program was closed. The U.S. Air Force operates these F-22, and they are primarily used for air superiority missions. While the number is limited compared to some other fighter aircraft, the F-22's advanced capabilities make it a highly potent asset in the U.S. Air Force's fleet. The F-22 Raptor is an impressive piece of machinery with some remarkable capabilities. Supercruise. The F-22 is capable of sustained supersonic flight without the need for afterburners. This gives it a significant advantage in terms of speed and fuel efficiency. Maneuverability. The F-22 is renowned for its exceptional agility and maneuverability. It can perform complex aerobatic maneuvers like Pugachev's Cobra and the Herbst maneuver, allowing it to outmaneuver adversaries in dogfights. Stealth. The F-22 incorporates advanced stealth technologies, including a combination of shape, materials, and coatings to reduce its radar cross-section. This makes it difficult for enemy radar systems to detect and track. Advanced avionics. Equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, the F-22 provides unparalleled situational awareness to the pilot. It has advanced radar systems, sensors, and electronic warfare capabilities. Speed. The F-22 has a top speed of approximately 2,414 kilometers per hour, 1,500 miles per hour, or Mach 225. These features collectively make the F-22 Raptor one of the most advanced and capable fighter aircraft in the world. Its combination of speed, agility, and stealth make it a formidable asset for air superiority missions.